Okay, so remember that third prison that I mentioned? The name of it is Death Island. Now, there's not much of an easy way to access this prison. Yes, we do wait till we're inside to put the guards in, the prisoner in. Most of our prisoners are villagers. So in there, that's our execution chamber. And this is a cell where the prisoners go prior to execution. So it's this one. These cells should contain a bed, but they, as of right now, do not. There's supposed to be a water tank on top of this room because the primary method of execution is drowning. But I think that water tank has long dried up. Now, if a prisoner were to escape, oh, this room has never even been finished. I should have came out a different way. So we're gonna execute this villager. The reason why, no. Villagers are innocent. We're gonna get a creeper. Yes, a creeper. The reason why we are doing creeper executions is simply because creepers make up 94% of villager deaths. You're free to go. But you, the creeper, yeah, so that's what it looks like. See the oxygen bubbles? And then we're gonna open the door. Look at the creeper nose to So now the whole room's flooded. They're dying. Alright, we can go ahead and reseal the execution room for next use. And that's how it's done.